Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Chemistry Class 12. Start by focusing on understanding the fundamental concepts rather than just rote memorization. Consistent practice with numerical problems is crucial for building confidence and problem-solving skills. Also, develop a habit of creating concise notes and flashcards. These tools are invaluable for quick and effective revision, helping you retain complex information more easily. When tackling organic chemistry, prioritize understanding reaction mechanisms. This is key to predicting outcomes. Make sure to memorize all important named reactions and their specific conditions. For inorganic chemistry, a strong grasp of periodic trends is essential. This will help you understand the properties and reactivity of elements, making complex topics much clearer and easier to learn. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the channel. Your support means a lot. On another note, if you're thinking about your future, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. For physical chemistry, it's vital to master all formulas and understand their practical applications. Solving a variety of numerical problems will solidify your understanding. Additionally, make it a point to solve previous year's question papers. This practice helps you identify important topics and understand the exam pattern. Regular revision of all topics is non-negotiable for long-term retention and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.